Ready to rumble in the world of WhatsApp marketing automation? We're pitting Manychat against Wati to see which chatbot reigns supreme for your business. First, let's talk features. Manychat shines with its drag-and-drop flow builder, perfect for visually mapping out complex conversations. Wati, on the other hand, boasts a robust team inbox, allowing multiple agents to manage WhatsApp conversations seamlessly. Consider which is more important for your workflow. Now, the all-important prize. Both offer free trials, but their paid plans differ significantly. Manychat's pricing scales with your contact list, while Wati often charges per agent or message volume. Analyze your usage to determine the most cost-effective option for you. Integrations are key. Manychat plays well with popular e-commerce platforms and marketing tools. Wati's strength lies in its API, allowing for deeper customization and integration with CRM systems. Check if your favorite tools are compatible. Ease of use is subjective, but generally, Manychat is known for its beginner-friendly interface. Wati may have a steeper learning curve, but it offers greater flexibility for advanced users. Think about your team's technical expertise when deciding. So, who wins? Manychat is great for e-commerce and simple marketing campaigns. Wati is better suited for larger teams needing a dedicated customer support solution. The right choice depends on your unique business needs.